Emily kanot long ba adalbot nong rum ni kasngi ula pen pau ke jing lengo ya ke jing pen lip like kha ha ka constituency ka babu jing ya ki ying sem ha ki benta baro abakran kinong to ko bor ba adalbot ula bu jing kli balei kani ke jing pen thot ya ki pajba ba dia ke imlang salang da ke jing pen lip like khari teng baro shisngi don kapor ba min mirro kalip kalaj ke ai daw ko ba pen lip like kumni kabakta ya baro khamtam ya ki khna school ki bedang tho ya ki examen ba pher u ba dalbot ulai thu ba nakaleng ko jong u ne sngi ula wat jing tip bat phun yaw menteri ba dai pet ya katnat boarding ba met ba lang do bat pharu da ke jing tho lang ba ka email ban kentu ya katnat lang ba ki officer bat ki wei ki batrai ha ka ne katnat makin le ya ka badon kam ula ong kum kinong song snong ki don ga hok ban kali namar kala siu hok ya ka kajna ka ba ki dai ban siu galabu jingkali da ka ba ong la ka ni ka jing penlip like ka dai tang ha ka constituency jong u ni baro sijala la da ka dai tang ha ka constituency ka jong u bale bat ka ai ka daw ka ba ki penlem ula ong ru ba ki ba dai ban shim ya ka jingit kli ka dai ban le ya ka ba don kam
kumuway na prem ki responsible representative baro jopor kum local MLA jong 17 North Long constituency ngaku apa pau yang ni ka issue ka pertaining issue ka ba hadu menta kum ka jala ina haman ma khapta ma ka bidai ba problem jong ka power disruption bale ini ijing pen dik pen thut ya ki mla masalah lemba ka jing lip light kari hateng boro sisi sipang men ru untuk ke daw ke exact reason ngane thu ipi mata singa yo bani karen but honorable Prime Minister ba men ba lindo lemba ka phone but kum jok layo ban pha lemba ka email ya ka presentation ka jonga ya ka bangit scam in kentu ya ka department lemba kita ki responsible person be it the officers be it the engineers. Ngaku akan kali ini problem ibarat kena basic necessity jong way po way jong kaway po yang nong song ni don hok baliu namar balik yak pun dab hok ban si hok ika khai sana namar kada ngabu ga jingkali balai bagani ga power disruption lagadai tang po konstitusi jonga negadai sikui wi ki konstitusi negadai se bolo ko wi jona lagadai tang konstitusi jonga hapan bu ga jingkali why who's responsible for this whoever responsible they are supposed to be fixed responsible amar kada wa ketu bana kerpa lembai honorable Prime Minister Soba Shimkhya ya kene ka issue ban address immediately amar gem kwa bani ibu nak song ken suffer ken ma ya jinge ngam ko akan kentho ni ga bat shimru ni ga kabu maybe don ki concerned person ki berana shuki haka department maybe can perform katkum ka responsibility kapala pensya lagi ne yo kimon bakin try ka kam ne maybe yo kimdon kata ka capacity prove yourself ashim ini ga lan ne report ban kitu saisian ya honorable Prime Minister Soba Shimkhya kindly take it on serious concern about this pertinent issues facing by general public, not only in my constituency, maybe the state as a whole. Tiny Kantian, Nai Kublai Shimon.